Everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I hope everybody's having a great week. Welcome to the last week. So, we got about one more week left, and class actually ends on Friday this week. So, keep that in mind. Figure I'd give you some dates to keep aware of and what's going on and how we're kind of focused on this week. So, last lecture will be tonight. So, same time as always. Links should be posted. Everything should be good to go from there. But do keep in mind, last day of work and last day to turn in any missing work or any work that you want to update, because again, I have unlimited turns on my discussions and written assignments, so if you want to get better grades, turn them in before Friday, and I'll update your grade and everything if you fix the feedback and everything goes from there, so that way it would be perfect. But the last day this week is the Friday, the 19th, so please make sure you have it turned in by that time of 11:59 p.m. Central Time, and that would be perfect. My times say 12:59 a.m. That's because I'm on Eastern Time with Florida, so just keep that in mind. But other than that, that's all I got for this stuff. So keep in mind, Friday is the last week. I'll try to have all your grades and everything caught up for week 5 by Tuesday, so that way you have all of that data for you. And I'll try and grade as I go as best as I can next week, so that way you have your grades available to you and there's no issues with that. Other than that, let's talk about what we're going to be focusing on this week. So the last week, what you're going to be talking about is ethics. And ethics is that system of what you believe and what's right and what's not right in those areas. And we're going to go into how people use visuals to try and trigger those ethical dilemmas or ethical situations, usually by either using visual stereotypes and how they shape perception. We'll also talk about digital alteration ethics, permission to use images, understanding the social impact, how making these decisions can affect generations and other cultures, and then regulations themselves and how they matter with it all, and why regulations are meant to be there to help control certain things and what visuals are out there. Other than that, I'll give you some heads up on how the end of this course will go and what things that you'll need by Friday during lectures, so please make sure to make it for that. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. Hope to see everybody for lecture tonight, and take it easy. I'll see you then. All right. Bye, everybody.